All right, it's 5 o'clock, so we gotta get out of here, but here is the final video for the staircase project in Brooklyn Heights for Mr. Noble. And the pièce de résistance just went in, this beautiful live edge American black walnut banister, which is an interesting complement to the staircase, which descends from the pre-existing loft. But he had an old ladder that he wanted replaced, so we put this cool spalted maple hooks board here. It's got a nice shellac finish, which matches the spalted maple pulls of the closet and the spalted maple trim and the spalted maple pulls on the drawers, which have the soft close hardware. Closes itself, ladies and gentlemen. And just like that. And then the pull kind of disappears there underneath the trim. And yeah, this is a really fun project. We got to design some curtains. So the curtains were part of the job. We put the curtains in. We did a little bit of orange mandala motif that kind of matches the spalted maple. Spalted means that the wood is just beginning to kind of rot. So it has some black veins in it. And it actually makes it kind of rare and unique. So let's do a little close up here on the spalted maple. Yeah, cool. So yeah, there's a lot of spalted maple here, like on the threshold when you go into the loft, that's spalted maple as well. Alrighty, yeah, this was a fun project, great client, really great guy to work with. And while I'm talking about what we did for this guy, we also redid the kitchen. Yeah, he had like some old crappy drawers and like an old like weird icebox thing. We ripped that out. And we did nice simple melamine doors, also soft close hardware, closes itself. And we put in this pretty cool trash can, the Simple Human garbage can. Again, soft close hardware, closes itself. And this is kind of cool too. We put in a Corian Wilson Art solid surface drawer here, shelf here for the cleaning supplies. So this is not plywood, it'll never rot or be affected by bleach or anything. It's Corian solid acrylic, kind of a cool little countertop underneath the sink. And yeah, nice little attention to detail, like, you know, securing his BX box there a little bit, doing a little extra here and there. I even pounded in some dowels. He had some holes in his floor over here. I'll show you this detail and then I'll let you go. Over here in the staircase, we even put in some dowels where the floor had some gaps. And yeah, so we had to rip, there's a lot of demo in this job. We had to rip out this bookcase that was here and we had to redo this plaster wall. So that whole wall was cracked, but I had Al the taper come in. Al Martin did a great job on the plaster. So yeah, we keep on getting better. Every job that we do is the best job yet. And we're really grateful for all the great people in our network, always meeting new people. And behind me, you'll see a big Buddha. And I actually made an extra step for the staircase just in case I needed it, and it became like kind of our work stool. Has this great live edge spalted maple piece. And I decided to just kind of donate it to the job and donate it to the spirit of compassion and generosity that is in every one of us.